Welcome to Ockham. In this advanced video, we want to start covering in more depth what you get from the Ockham valuation analysis reports. I'm just going to type in Wells Fargo here at the top in the ticker entry box, and immediately we're going to land on the WFC or Wells Fargo Overview tab. Now the first thing that's going to draw your attention is our valuation analysis charts, where we show you the price for Wells Fargo over the last 2+ years, as well as the valuations that we've had over that time period. We have positive, neutral, and negative color coding at the bottom of the charts, and also throughout the charts we will show little dots of red and green where we've initiated a new stance of undervalued or overvalued. As you scroll a little further down, you're going to see razor wire on the left-hand side. This is the link to Occam's razor wire product, which tracks business television and everything being said. As we scroll down here, you're going to see every time Wells Fargo has been discussed on business television. I'm going to quickly scroll all the way down here. And what you get the sense for is that you can always stay up to date on any significant news stories happening in the news. We also cover that on all of the securities that we follow. Let's get into the valuation analysis. Right here in the Occam's ratings section, we cover a little bit about the market, the industry that the particular company is in, as well as any significant price or earnings changes that have occurred since our last report. The stock evaluation section next covers what our current valuation is and how that's changed over time recently. Next, we move into our price to sales or price to revenue analysis to look at, within the Occam valuation framework, where this company is compared to what people have been willing to pay for it in the past. Next comes the cash earnings analysis, where again, we're looking at the company's ability to generate cash over time and how that has affected the stock price. Later, we look at dividends and NOI's yields to see whether or not this is a high-yielding company in respect to the historical norms. We're always looking at price levels in relationship to the factors that we follow, as well as these key fundamentals here to the left, to make sure that we're covering both fundamentals and a little bit of the technical that's necessary to understand any company. And that's a quick look at the Overview tab, available on over 5,500 companies from Ockham.